Assembly. Insert the red gasket. Insert the suction gasket after you have spread some Vaseline grease on it. Insert the mixing unit and fix it with the knob. Spread some Vaseline grease in the bottom of the eye-tank bowl and insert it, making sure it has a tight hold on its gasket. Spread some Vaseline grease on the O-ring gaskets of the tap and then insert this part. Position both the secondary and main cover and lock it with the key. Insert the drip tray. The machine is now assembled and ready for use. Start-up procedures. Prepare the mix following the information on the producer's label. Remove both the main and secondary cover and pour the mix inside the eye-tank bowl. Position the secondary and main cover. Lock with the key and fit the plug in the power supply. Functioning. In this version, it is possible to use in manual or automatic mode. Manual mode. In manual mode, the machine and all its functions are completely controlled by the operator. Start up the machine by touching the Start key on the touchscreen display. To switch the mixing unit on and off, touch the equivalent symbol on the display. Touch the Freeze symbol to start the production of slush or sorbet. Touch the Chill symbol to enter the defrost mode. The LED light is activated or deactivated by touching the symbol on the display. The digital display shows the time, and when the 12-hour mode is enabled, the text AM/PM is visible. The day of the week is also displayed. Automatic mode. When this mode is enabled, the slusher works independently, saving time for the operator. Setting auto mode. In order to activate the setting mode, it is necessary to hold your finger on the on-off button for 6 to 7 seconds. An acoustic signal will advise the user about the setting procedure activation. It is necessary to push the Day Plus button until the right day is shown. Set the 12-hour or 24-hour mode by switching from one mode to the other with the 12-hour, 24-hour button. Time set. While the hours blink on the display, use the plus and minus buttons to modify it. And once set, press the Enter button to confirm. Repeat the same action to set minutes. Once all parameters are set, the machine will start working autonomously, according to the parameters. This will save you time. Daily programming. It's possible to set parameters for each day of the week. programming the right time of start and stop on the defrost mode. The first day of the week appears. Fix the start time of the defrost mode by modifying hour and minutes with the increase plus or decrease minus keys. Once the desired hour is set, touch the Enter button to confirm. Now, the text Stop appears on the display, and it's possible to set the time at which the defrost mode will end and the freeze mode will start. Follow the same procedure to set hour and minutes and confirm with Enter. In this way, it's possible to set all of the days of the week until the last one. Push Exit to finish the setting mode. Auto Mode Startup. When the Auto button is switched on, the automatic mode parameters are active and the freeze and chill buttons are visible but not functioning. It is possible to deactivate Auto Mode only if at least one of the 3 augers is rotating. Functioning. In this version, the control board is manual with switches. Each bowl is controlled by 2 switches. Startup. Activate the main switch. First, select the switch to activate the mixer components. Then, select the switch in the position of the snowflake symbol to activate the cooling system in the freeze mode. To activate the defrost mode, move the corresponding switch to the wave symbol position. To activate or deactivate the LED light, use the switch as shown. The same actions can be followed for the 2 and 3 bowl machines. Dispensing. To dispense the product, position the cup under the tap and pull the dispensing lever. Turning the screws located on the back of the machine, it is possible to adjust the consistency of the product in the following way: clockwise to make the product less dense, counterclockwise to make the product denser. Cleaning and sanitizing procedures. Shut down the cooling system and let the mixing unit rotate for about 10 minutes. Switch off the power supply and empty the bowl of any remaining product. Unlock and remove both main and secondary cover. Pour lukewarm water inside the bowl and empty again. Unscrew and slip off the knobs, lower the bowl and extract the tap. Unscrew the securing bolt. Extract the mixing unit and the sealing washers. Thoroughly wash all the removed components with hot water and mild dishwashing detergent. Thoroughly wash the surfaces of the machine, and then the machine is ready to be reassembled.